You don't know the Starlink Gen card with Viva because it's next media. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, so right now I'm doing a troubleshoot. So the Starlink support has requested me to unplug the wires. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so I just unplug the wires, as you can see what I'm going. And they also said I should send them a photo. So I'm unplugging it and sending them a photo. And they also suggest that I should do a factory reset also. Can we make them know so it's a chip out? So I don't understand why it's a chip out. So me even plug it out too. As you see what I go on here, so I plug it out. So what me actually I do now, I go up on the house top and unplug the wires from the dish also. So stay tuned. Guys, so as you can see, me remove the Starlink from off of the tank top because it obstructed on the tank top reverse. So me search the house and that's now I find one different spot and place it right here. So right here, so you don't know, right pan, just sit down on the tank, on the rooftop. See that, guys? But me still surrounded by a lot of trees. The next step for the still, I have to cut down some of them trees there. I mean, I'm gonna love peer, but if a them thing here cause the obstruction, yeah, I have to do that differently. Alright, so I'm gonna do what the Starlink supports I'm gonna do. Then so I'm gonna unplug the wires from the dish. And guys, this is the Gen 3 dish. You see it? Yeah man, this is the Gen 3 dish. So alright, let me unplug the wires. One wire, two wires. Alright, so I'm just unplug the wire. And then say this good too. This is a good troubleshoot. And them recommends me some if you do this. I'm telling them say it a chip out. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in it back. Alright. Alright, so if fully plug in, as you can see what I go on right here. Fully plug in. So I'm gonna set it back down. Alright, put it back down. Just like that. I need to tuck it down on the hand because I just want stone I put underneath it at this moment. So the next step I have to tuck it down. But it's heavy, you know. It's very heavy and I like it to blow off so easy though. So that's the step. Alright guys, so anybody who want to know the issues I may have with the Starlink is that sometimes we just chip out. You see it? And not constantly something, you know. Suppose to chip out today. Maybe not chip out till all the next 3 days from this or next 4 days. So when you chip out, you not get no access to the internet at all and you're there offline. I normally plug out the router and plug in it back. So right now I'm gonna do a factory reset and see what happens from there. You see it? Yeah, and then now I'm just send support the message and something with them say. So you guys can stick around and if you have any question you can let me know. Otherwise from that guys, yeah man, the Starlink are good, fast and everything. I don't have no issues connect to the internet and thing. But just a little problem here when it a chip out. May I try to fix. Yeah guys, so I'm back in the house. So So now I'm gonna plug in back the router. I'm gonna plug it in back. Alright, so I'm just plug in the router. Alright, and when the router plug in, there's a little light on the dish. So I'm gonna go on my phone now and see if it pick up yet. See there? It said it's disconnected. So it haven't pick up as yet. So normally I have to give it some time before it can connect. I'm gonna go in my phone and go on the app. Go on Wi-Fi. Alright, see pick up there. I'm gonna just screen record it so you guys can see it more better. Guys, so we're in our house now, so I'm gonna test it right in our house. So I go up on speed. Yes, speed test.net. I'm showing you speed when I get to in the house. Alright, see them. Speed test. Continue. See that? In the house me there, you know. So I'm showing why difference now when I'm near to the Wi-Fi. See them? Go up, it go up. I get more. It depends on the strength. Catch out the door me get. Never so fast out the door. See that? 200 odd. This is way cool, bro. I tell you, from where I come from, boy, I tell you, I the best thing this could I ever do. It would be expensive though, because 60,000 for the setup and everything, you see it. But after the otherwise than that, 7,000 you pay a month. I think that Elon Musk can do better still as the richest person in the world. You see it, you like the setup fee can cheaper than that. Yeah, that's just my one recommendation. But it worth it still, guys. If you have the money, or you don't want to make sacrifice and buy, you guys can make sacrifice. That's it. Yeah, man. Out. See what I go on? I go up on my phone. It connect to the internet. So I'm gonna go back in the Starlink app and check if it's picking up. Connect to Wi-Fi. Alright, and this is what I go on. So once you restart the Starlink and thing, you go in the app. Them information I come up optimizing, so we get a little time for it for load up and things, see it? Yeah. And then now I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of resetting it. Cause that's what the agent told me to do. So I'm just gonna do that. Go on the message, or it's not loading up yet. So that's what the agent did told me to do. Guys, how to reset the Starlink router. Alright, all I need to go up on the app, then I go up on settings, go up on the router, you slide that button here. You have to factory reset down the bottom. So look here, guys, the support team tell me something I need for reset it. This is what then something need for do. Then say I need for after you complete a factory set on your Starlink, are you able to see the Starlink Wi-Fi name pop up? Device. Alright, so that me I go do. They really want me for factory set the so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna factory set settings and then factory set. It will tell us a factory set to clear the Wi-Fi name and that and that. But I need to do that. Because them some for do it, some just try and see if that guy fix no problems. I see it. Alright, Starlink unplug or reboot. Alright, the Starlink app can't be reached. Connect to Starlink. Alright, select Starlink. Alright, I'm going on my settings, see if Starlink will show up. It haven't showing up yet. Maybe I have to give it some time. Alright, see Starlink show up there. Alright, so Starlink show up. Alright, so it has it a boot Wi-Fi is not configured. Alright, configure Wi-Fi. Yeah guys, so I have done everything that Starlink told me to do, including factory setting it and thing. Unplug the wires, plug in back the wires. So hopefully it will work good now. I will give you guys an update in a week time or a month time, because the issue that I told that I'm having, guys, it's disconnecting sometimes, and when it disconnect I have to replug the router and plug in it back. So now the Starlink support told me to do all these troubleshoot. If you do want more Starlink video like this, remember to leave it in the comment section. Let me know if you like content like this, and if you guys have an issue like this too with the Starlink, please let me know.